Disney Plus Error 83. Let's fix it right now.
Error 83 means Disney Plus can't verify your device or your connection. It's a compatibility or network block, and it stops playback entirely.
We'll walk through every fix, starting with the quickest solutions first. Quick, medium, and advanced. One of these will work.
First, force close the Disney Plus app completely. Wait 10 seconds, then reopen it. This alone fixes many cases.
Next, fully power off your device. Unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then power it back on. This clears bad sessions and resets the DRM handshake.
Run a speed test on your device. Disney Plus needs at least 5 Mbps for HD, 8 Mbps for live streams, and 25 Mbps for 4K. If you're below these numbers, that could be your problem.
Unplug your router and modem for 5 full minutes. This resets your entire network connection, including DNS and IP settings. Then plug them back in and wait for a full reboot.
If the quick fixes didn't work, try these medium-level solutions.
Make sure both the Disney Plus app and your device firmware are fully up to date. Outdated software is one of the top causes of Error 83 because it breaks the DRM security checks.
Clear the app cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Disney Plus, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. On a browser, clear your cache and cookies. This removes stale DRM tokens that trigger the error. Turn off any VPN, proxy, or smart DNS you're running. These tools trigger region and security checks that block playback. Then sign out of Disney Plus on all devices and sign back in on just one. This resets any stuck authentication sessions.
Still getting Error 83? These advanced fixes solve even the toughest cases.
Change your DNS to Google's public DNS, 8.8.8 as primary and 8.8.4 as secondary. On your TV, go to Network Settings, then IP Settings, then set DNS to Manual. This is one of the most effective fixes for Error 83, confirmed by thousands of users.
Uninstall and reinstall Disney Plus for a completely clean slate. Or try a different device entirely. If it works on another device, you've confirmed the issue is specific to your original device.
Here's why Error 83 happens. When you press play, your device performs a DRM security handshake with Disney Plus servers. First, it verifies your device identity. Then the DRM module performs a security check. Finally, authentication tokens are validated. If any single step fails, you get Error 83.
Make sure your device is on the official Disney Plus supported list. Older Fire TV sticks, outdated Android TV boxes, and app emulators are not supported. If your device isn't on the list, switching to a supported one is the fastest fix.
To prevent Error 83 from coming back, keep your apps and firmware updated, avoid VPNs while streaming, maintain a stable internet connection, and always use supported devices.
That's every fix for Disney Plus Error 83. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.